going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel Lazy and I'm here to show you how to sell on Amazon and how to make money online. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below any question you guys may have. So today I'm gonna talk about Amazon FBA and how to send your inventory to Amazon. So alright, first of all, you guys gonna go to Amazon Seller Central. You guys gonna open your account. You're gonna go under catalog and then you're gonna go on add a product. Okay, as you can see, guys, on this product you can see it's a biology. If I wanted to sell this product, what I will do, I'll say select condition. If this book is new, you're gonna press new. If this book is like used, you're gonna press news. So let's say this book is new, so I'm gonna say sell this product. And then let's say how much I decide to sell this product. Let's say I want to sell this product for $50, and the least amount I want to give this product, let's say $45, and they will ask you how many quantity do you have in this product. Let's say you have 50 product. Okay, and they're gonna ask you what's the condition again, and you're gonna say this product is new. So if you see down below, it's a fulfillment channel. So the first one always say I will ship this order myself, which is FBM. That's what I was telling you guys. That's when you're in charge of the product, you ship it to the customer until the item gets to the customer. So the next one is say Amazon will ship and provide customer service. So this one is FBA. That's when you send the product to Amazon. Anything happen, the customer doesn't have to deal with you. They're gonna deal to Amazon directly. So for FBM, you're gonna press the second one. You're gonna it's gonna give you like an error message. It say if you're choosing to have Amazon to fulfill your order for this item, your item will be available for sale when Amazon receives them. So basically, once you put your item for Amazon to ship them, fulfillment by Amazon, the FBA program, so your item won't be available until Amazon receives them. It's gonna be on your inventory, but it's gonna say out of stock. So you're gonna press here. You're gonna say remember the setting, if you wanna remember the setting for this time, or no, just leave it to the first one, because most of the time some people just do FBN. So you're gonna go there, you're gonna go save and finish. The biology, and they're gonna give you some information. If there's this item has a barcode, yes, save and continue. So okay, right here they're gonna say the place you are, and you're gonna say units. So units is like 1, 2, 3, 50 books, so that's units. So they're gonna ask you prep label needed. It's a book, you don't need Amazon to prepare anything. You're gonna say no prep needed. Amazon will give you like a small label to put on the book because this book is not new, so they're gonna give you a small label if you choose. Let me see if I can show you that. So they're gonna ask you how many labels do you need to print, and you're gonna say 50 because you have 50 books. So you're gonna go and print, and then here you're gonna put like 50 units, and then you're gonna, this item, is it ready to pack? Is Amazon gonna use like paper, whatever, to ship this item? You're gonna say this item is ready to pack because it's just a book, and then pack individually, and then continue. Okay, once you finish here, Amazon gonna, that's why you guys need a scale. So I'm gonna show you on next video, maybe on this video I'll link down below the best scale you guys can use to ship your product, so you can take the weight, or when you do FBM too, you're gonna need a scale. So here Amazon is asking you how many boxes you're gonna use to fit those 50 books. So if you think you have like a big box who's gonna fit like 50 books, just put them in one and say yes, I need only one box. But if you think you're gonna need like 2 or 3 boxes, you're gonna go and multiple boxes will be needed, and then you're gonna go and confirm. So now it's gonna say enter to a web form. The web form is basically gonna give you let's say you're gonna need 3 boxes. Okay, open the web form. The web form is basically what you're gonna tell Amazon. You're gonna tell Amazon what's the dimension of the box you're gonna send to them, and is the box number 1 and number 3 is the same dimension. Let's say the box is 13.25 on the first box, and then you put 15, and then you put let's say you put 20 here and 20 here. Oh, that will be 55. Okay, let's say you put 20 here and 10 on a small box. So let's say in box 1 you put 20 books, and box 2 you put 10 books, and box 3 you put 20 books. So when you go right here, Amazon gonna ask you what's the weight of the first box. So the first box, when you put the 20 bucks, you're gonna weight this box, and then you're gonna put the weight. Let's say the weight it's over like 15 pounds. So you're gonna put 15 pounds. And then for the second one, it's 10 pounds, it's 10 books. I'm just telling you guys, but you have to take the weight of the box. So let's say this one is 5 pounds, and this one is another 15 pounds. So in total it's gonna be 35 pounds. Listen guys, you guys cannot send over 50 pounds on Amazon. If you send over 50 pounds on Amazon, they're gonna charge you. When you go under your payment, it's gonna say adjustment. So they're gonna charge you, even though you think like everything is fine. Nope, they're gonna charge you, so be careful with that. So let's say the dimension of this box is 12 by 12, right? And then the first box is 12 by 12, and the third box is 12 by 12. I'm just assuming because they have each 20 books, right? So you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna add on another box dimension. Let's say this one is 10 by 10, so it's 10 by 10, and then you're gonna click here. Now you're gonna say confirm packing information. Okay. Well, why would they expect this? Alright, sometimes guys, when you put the weight, it's gonna give you like some error. It's because like Amazon expect like a certain weight for like the items or whatever. Just fix it. Sometimes it's like 1 pound over, just fix it. And sometimes if it's 20 pounds, make sure everything is correct. So now you're gonna go on confirm and continue. Alright guys, here now that's the good thing of doing Amazon FBA. Even though they do charge you extra, but sometimes you have to ship like internationally. I remember like I had to ship a product, especially when you're shipping in California, Ohio. It's really expensive to ship there. Even though like the product was like really like 2 pounds, 3 pounds, it's really expensive to ship there. I remember I was shipping like a box. It was a 12 by 12. It's a small box, and then it was like I think 4 pounds, and I had to pay $19.99, something like that. And no, so if you see here, Amazon tell you when do you gonna ship this box, when you gonna ship the product to Amazon. So let's say you put the 20. Sometimes you can put the 20. That doesn't mean that's the day you're gonna deliver it to UPS. You can deliver it to on the 21st. But if you choose the 20th, that's the day you want to send them. So basically, you're gonna put 20 on the 20, and Amazon gonna tell you it's 3 boxes, it's 1 SKU. When they say it's 1 SKU, that mean it's how can I explain this? When they say it's 1 SKU, it's like it's one product. It's the same product. There is no different. It's the same category of product, the same product. So it's a biology book, it's a 12th edition, it's a 12th edition. So you cannot put 12th edition and 11th edition in the box and send them to Amazon. So you cannot do that. So it's gonna say box 3 and then 1 SKU and 50 books, 50 units. So if you go down, it's gonna tell you Amazon partner, that's how much you're gonna charge you for the 50 books. They're gonna charge you $22 to send them to Amazon. So you're gonna go and check this box, and then you're gonna press apply and confirm. Once you press apply and confirm, Amazon gonna give you the option to print the label. So the label, each book gonna come in with a small label. It's like a small barcode. I don't have one here. So each book gonna come with a small barcode. So you guys gonna just remove the small barcode and put it on the barcode of the new books, the book you're gonna sell. So it's basically print the label out and then stick it to the barcode of the book and then send them to Amazon. Once Amazon receive them, Amazon gonna keep sending you email telling you they in the process to receive your inventory was received, and then the inventory was closed. So make sure you guys check it out, because it's Amazon, it's human, they working. Sometimes, let's say you send 50 books and then they receive 48 books before the process say close. Make sure you talk to them and let them know, hey, listen, I sent 50 books and you guys only put available 48 books. Sometimes it takes time for them to receive all of them at one time, so just give them time, but at the same time pay attention. If Amazon lose the book or they lost the book or somehow, they're gonna reimburse you for the money. So now you guys should be able to do it by yourself, and if you have any question, I'll be more than happy to help you. Comment down below, what did you think about this video? Was it clear enough? Did you guys understand everything? If for any reason this video wasn't clear, just let me know. So like, your feedback is good, it's gonna help me improve so you guys can understand everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.